Thanks for wanting to learn more about Destination DC's social media team. Social media is one of the most powerful ways to tell your story, connect with visitors and locals, and inspire people to visit your business. We have industry social media channels, which are the @Destination DC handles. We also have our consumer social media channels that drive inspiration. These are the @Visit Washington DC channels. Combined across all of these channels, we have more than 1 million followers, and we love using that reach to spotlight our members. Let's talk about how to make your content shine on social media. First, there is no one-size-fits-all social media strategy. Your social media following is made up of entirely different people from the business next door to yours, so the best place to start is with experimentation. Try all types of content formats: photos, carousels, videos, videos with text on the screen, videos with you talking to the camera, videos with voiceovers. There are endless possibilities and ideas to showcase your business. Also, try all types of content topics. Looking for content ideas? Tell a story about your business, like the why behind why your business exists. Share a behind the scenes process, like how your team prepares for a big event, crafts a signature dish, or sets the scene for guests. What are you seeing on your social media feed that entertains you? And how can you replicate that type of content with your own business? Post consistently, not constantly. Take a moment a few days after your post has been online to look to see how it performed. Did it have more comments than you typically get? More video views than usual? If something about that post clicked with your audience, try to identify what you think made it perform well and replicate it in a future post. Regardless of the type of post or the story you're trying to tell, use natural light and clear captions. When in doubt, think authentic over perfect. Remember, you don't need a huge budget to create content that resonates, just keep it real. Let's talk about how to get featured on the Destination DC or Visit Washington DC social media channels. We have an asset uploader to share your content with a social media team, which you'll see on the screen. We also email or send direct messages when we see content we would like to use, and we'll always give credit and tag you when using your photos or videos. Our team monitors our social media feed every day to find great visuals to share on our socials. We look for high quality photos and videos that tell a story about your business or the DC experience. To help get on our feed more often, make sure you tag your posts with @Visit Washington DC or @Visit DC and use the hashtag #OnlyOneDC, which is our main leisure hashtag. We love to comment on member business social media posts, but remember, engagement goes both ways. Reply to comments and messages from us on your posts or comment on applicable Visit Washington DC posts. The more interaction your content gets, the more likely it is to appear on more feeds and reach more potential visitors. You can also provide updates or assets to dcmedia@washington.org email. And lastly, say yes to our social team for visits. We love to experience your business firsthand and create our own original content that we know will resonate with our own audience. One perk of your Destination DC membership is our Member Spotlight program. We feature your business front and center on our Destination DC Instagram stories, reaching our 15,000 plus Instagram followers. You provide the assets, and we craft the story that makes your business shine. Let's chat influencers, one of the best ways to reach new audiences and show off your business in an engaging way. Influencers are authentic voices that create third-party validation that internet users are seeking. They're the new word-of-mouth marketing that you should tap into. The DMV is full of content creators. If you see someone's content online and think they're a good fit for promoting your business, send them a DM or contact them using the information listed in their bio. Did you know that you too can work with influencers to showcase your business? Nano and micro creators are content creators with 10,000 followers or less. They're affordable to work with and are a powerful partner for your marketing. When DDC hosts local or national influencers, we invite trusted creators to experience Washington, D.C. and share their authentic perspective with their own followers. We carefully select influencers based on who they reach, how they tell stories, and whether their audience aligns with our target markets. If you'd like to be involved, here's a few ways to help. When we reach out to ask if you can help host an influencer, say yes. This may involve arranging a tour, providing a comped meal, or other experience that shows off your business. Keep us updated on new openings or events so we can keep you top of mind for potential visits and match you with the right creator. And if you see influencer content featuring your business, engage with it and share it. Commenting and reposting builds credibility and keeps the buzz going.